take a little video here. These are Maggie's puppies. It's been so cold and rainy they haven't been able to go outside. They learned that real quick. Up and down the slide. Come on, guys. Come out here so I can take your picture. Come on. It's fun under there, huh? This little Katie right here. Hey, little girl. How are you? I think this is little Ramona. There she goes. Oliver. And here's Oliver. Oliver. Hey, boy. Oliver. They're not cooperating. Oliver, there you are. I'm not real sure how we're saying this, but I think it's Caterin. He just was on the right going up the slide. There he is. Yeah. I think this is... are you Ramona? Are you Hoag? Are you Hoagie? Are you Ramona? Huh? Who are you? You all look alike. Everybody looks alike. It's hard to tell. But I think this is Hoagie right here. He's bigger. Yeah, and you're Ramona. Yeah, there you go. Well, my camera light is coming on that it's going to go off here in a minute, so I'm going to stop the video, but you got to see them a little bit. And they'll see you all next weekend. Or actually the weekend after. They go to the vet next week. So I'll do another video. Hopefully the weather will be good.